Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm very sorry that I couldn't film intro or outro because I had a photo shoot afterwards, so I was in such a hurry. So basically what I did was I did my base and brows off camera, and now I'm applying some loose powder under my eyes. This will help to catch any fallout. First, I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shade In Light, and I'm applying it as a brow bone highlight. Now from the Morphe Dare to Create palette, I am taking the shade Create and I am applying it all over my crease and my outer corners. First I am packing the color in, and then with the shade Vivid I am going to blend out the edges. Now taking the shade Indigo, this is basically a matte dark blue, and I am applying it around my outer corners and a little bit on my crease. Going back to the shade Create, I am going to blend out the edges so that there are no harsh lines. Here I am taking a little bit of concealer and I am applying it on the outer corners. This will help to make the eyeshadow more pigmented. Going back to that same indigo color and I am applying it over that concealer. As you guys can see, the concealer helped to make that shadow look really intense. Again, going back to that concealer, I am going to curve out my crease. Here I am blending out the edges with the indigo shade. Now taking the shade Tailor, this is basically a very light sea blue color, and I am applying it from the inner corner up to the middle part of my eyelids. And for my outer corner up to the middle, I am taking the shade Tailor. This is basically a dark shimmery blue color. I wanted the lid to be a gradient of light to dark blue. To curve out my crease a little bit more, I am taking the Kona by Farnaz liquid lipstick in the shade Catch Me If You Can, and with the help of a liner brush I am drawing a very thin line across my crease. Now I am doing a winged eyeliner with the NYC liquid eyeliner. For my waterline, I am taking a white kajal and I am applying it on my waterline and on my lower lashes as well. And I am going back to that same dark pink color and packing the color on my lower lash line, and with the help of a tiny blending brush, I am blending out the edges. Now I am taking a light blue metallic eyeliner and I am drawing a straight line across the outer part of my lower lash line and on my inner corner as well. Here I am taking my all-time favorite mascara. This is the Golden Rose Maximize Mascara. For contouring, I am taking the Sleek Contour Kit in the shade Medium. I am contouring my cheekbones, jawline and the sides of my forehead. For blush, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice Blush Palette. For highlight, I am taking the Wet n Wild Precious Petals Highlighter. I am applying it on the top of my cheekbones, cupid's bow, chin, bridge of my nose and the sides of my forehead. For lipstick, I went with the Kona by Farnaz lipstick in the shade Pretty Precious. And afterwards, I added some false lashes. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!